Everyday Science MCQs of Biology, Chemistry, Physics and Atmospheric Studies. Let's go. Unit of radioactivity is A. Pascal, B. Energy, C. Angstrom, D. Becquerels. Answer: D. Becquerels. A material's radioactivity is measured in becquerels, BQ, international unit. Which of the following is the sensitive layer of the eye? A. Cornea, B. Sclerotic, C. Choroids, D. Retina. Answer: D. Retina. The duration of short-term memory is between A. 5 to 15 seconds, B. 15 to 30 seconds, C. 30 to 45 seconds, D. None of these. Answer: B. 15 to 30 seconds. Which light is more important for photosynthesis? A. Red light, B. Violet light, C. Green light, D. None of these. Answer: A. Red light. Which of the following lenses are useful in microscope? A. Convex lens, B. Concave lens, C. Curved lens, D. None of these. The waves which are used by TV remote control are A. Infrared waves, B. Radio waves, C. Ultraviolet rays, D. None of these. Answer: infrared waves. Which of the following plays a major role in reaction to stress? A. Mental, B. Physical, C. Social stigma, D. None of these. Answer: B. Physical. The autonomic nervous system has a direct role in physical response to stress. Which planet moves slowest around the Sun? A. Mercury, B. Venus, C. Mars, D. Jupiter. Answer: B. Venus. The lifespan of red blood cells in adults is approximately A. 60 to 70 days, B. 80 to 90 days, C. 110 to 120 days, D. None of these. Answer: C. 110 to 120 days. The lifespan of red blood cells in adults is approximately 110 to 120 days. Thanks for watching.